Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, and right now my baby is trying to eat my mic, but I will share my sales report with you today, right? So now I got a sales update of from iStock. Now iStock usually releases their reports on 20th of the this month from the report of previous month. So right now today is not 28th June. iStock released the reports early, but it's July, and now I have got the sales report of June. Okay, so let me minimize this recording screen. You can see my baby is eating my mic. I don't know if the sound will come or not. Oh, khashna. Now you see, this is a pretty standard value from iStock. 98 photos sold, and on an average 30 cents per download. But this is, let this stat not fool you. You can see most of the images are downloaded in mwah, mwah, uh, and you can hear banging sounds, okay, because he's just banging his head into the lapel mic. So you see, $1, 1 cent, 2 cents, so it's quite disgusting. All right, now I have deliberately sorted it from in ascending order. If I go into the descending order, you will see here is the main earner. So 14 downloads. This photo has been downloaded 14 times and it gave me 5.72 US dollar. And this is a video. Just imagine, one video only sold for 2.19 US dollar. And you can see the latest of my content. You already know, you can search my portfolio by using these codes. I'm no longer hiding my images. So this is the sales report from iStock. Now next, I already made a video from Big Stock in the previous month where I requested the payout, and here now you can see the payout has been credited to my PayPal account because Big Stock does not support Payoneer. So you can see over here, Big Stock, it came couple of days back, 15 July. So payment received from Shutterstock and Big Stock oblique in bracket because Shutterstock owns Big Stock. I requested a payment of $30 and they have deducted the tax amount and it is 29.49 US dollar. But the next payout is very special to me because it's a first payment from Pond5 and I requested in Payoneer, and you can see 27.79 US dollar from Pond5. The minimum amount is $25 and I crossed $25, and so I requested the payout on Pond5 and now it has reached my thank you, and now it has reached my Payoneer account. But this is the first payout and I want to say something that I am doing this for over 2 years, okay, and in 2 years $27.79 is basically nothing. And as you guys all know that I'm not doing this for money, I'm doing this for fun. So I recently made a video that I am not boycotting Shutterstock anymore. But yes, photo sales on Pond5 are absolutely disgusting. They don't sell at all, in my opinion, in my experience, compared to Shutterstock. And videos, for those guys who are selling videos, they are doing quite well. It's for sure. So if you are planning to submit on Pond5 being a photographer, be ready for some tough times. Oh, the baby is getting irritated. I'm a bad father. He doesn't like all these still images, okay? He likes cartoons only. Anyways, and now here is my Shutterstock unpaid earnings. You can see ekta toy dao na. You can see it's 176.74 US dollar, and as you know, I have made my Shutterstock unpaid earning payout limit to 500 US dollar. I don't think I'm going to reach that anytime soon with the current 10 cents subscription. You can see 10 cents, 10 cents. So it will take a long time for me to reach 500 US dollar. Anyways, so if you want guides on Pond5, Big Stock, iStock, any of them, you can, Babu, hold this. You can check out my YouTube channel, and if you are confused and if you are lost in the sea of videos, because I post 2 videos a week, you can actually go to the playlist. You can go to my channel and can go to the playlist menu, and you can find all the websites have been categorized as per, all the videos have been categorized as per playlist websites. Okay, so you can see Shutterstock Guide, Pixie Guide, Adobe Stock, Big Stock, Dreamstime, Pond5. So each of the videos that I have made about these specific websites have been grouped together. Oh my god, he's now so excited seeing the screen. So that's it, that's enough for today. I want to tell you that I am getting some sales and you can get some sales too. If you are not contributing on Shutterstock, if you are angry with Shutterstock, and then you can contribute to these sites, you can check my guides, and then you can upload on these websites and you can earn some decent passive income. Now time for code of the day. If you're watching this video till now and you know I am here with my baby, so you need to type his name Arintop, Arintop, in the comment section. If you are watching this video till now and if you type this code of the day, I will know that you have watched and you have not skipped this video. So I'll see you soon with another video very soon, and bye and take care. Thanks for watching.